It's her birthday today.
Okay.
And then right, she got an award. I feel so proud of you. And today we have half day.
Then at 11. You know, but I bet if you know, all my siblings, like my sister, it ends earlier, you know.
I'll parade longer. Oh, this is the school. I've never gone here before.
School compound. Yeah, it's very aesthetic. Not
really. So tomorrow is going to be National Day, and then afterwards on Wednesday, it's just school holidays.
Yay! But you don't have to schedule, is it?
Hi! Hi! Down to school.
Hi!
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blowing low. A tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glow. You filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. So I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jump.
Hi guys, time check. It's currently 11:41 p.m. a.m. My second one is going to premiere in about 1 hour, about 12:45, and I thought I want to share with you guys my outfit. Okay, so basically this is going to be like my gym outfit basically, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to the gym. I'm just going to wear this just in case we're going, because my cousin can't really go because he's under 12, so I think I might see how is it like. So I tie my hair into a ponytail, and I rarely tie like that because it's very like bad for the hair, but because I'm going to the gym, so you can literally see like my bald spots. I have this shirt, it's from Hard Rock Cafe. I bought this in Iceland. And then I have this biker short. I'm pretty sure it's from Cotton On. I got this in like 2020, so that's my fit. And I think I'm just going to wear my New Balance because that's like my gym shoes. Hi guys, so I'm currently at my aunt's house. I have a whole room to myself. It's supposed to be my cousin's room. This is their temporary house because they are renovating. We're going to go to the gym and then we'll go to the pool.
Off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you.
Hi guys, so we went to swim. So I'll give you guys like a quick room tour later on, and then we're gonna go see fireworks because there is the NDP. So I have my bag ready. I have a lot of things. I didn't film anything during our swim because I just wanted to spend quality time and stuff like that. So I have my mask, I have my glasses. They're all waiting for me, by the way. We're playing games right now. Hi guys, so now it's 10:40 and I think I'm gonna sleep very soon. So I changed into my pajamas. So let me give you guys a quick room tour. I'm not gonna give you guys a house tour because everyone's outside and it's gonna be very awkward. And there's also camera shy, so I just want to respect that. That's why I actually didn't film much today. So let's get started. So first, when you enter, there's the door, very plain door. I have my towel hung up, and then it's a quite small room. We have all this stuff. These are my cousins. The curtains, the bed, and we have like my bag and my soft toy. Apparently my cousin has a weight thing here, so you know. And then I have my bags and everything laid out here. So pretty simple. So I'm gonna stay here for one night, and then tomorrow, I think around lunch or after lunch, I'll go back home because there's school on Thursday. So that's all, and I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. Basically today was like very simple. I went to the gym, I swam, and then I played with my cousin, and then we just like went to watch the fireworks. So that's all we did today. The lighting here is so good.